up just a bit. Now, during the overnight hours into your Friday morning commute, that's when we are expecting the peak intensity of these wind gusts, with that 60 to 80 mile per hour gusts are in that forecast region wide. With that greatest impact, Colorado City all the way down to the New Mexico state line. That's where we are going to see those winds upwards of 100 miles per hour, at least with the greatest confidence. Expect power outages, some travel difficulty, limited visibility. We'll break all of that down for you right now in this extended forecast. For today, though, it's a beautiful day out there. Get anything outside done that you need to. Bring those Christmas decorations inside, bring those patio furniture, secure it, bring it inside, whatever you need to do. But for today, 53 degrees, plenty of sunshine until we get towards those evening hours. So about 5 to 10 degrees across the region, above average, puts us at about 56 degrees over in Pueblo. Out towards the plains, mid-60s for some areas such as Springfield. They're already at 67, so they're running a little bit ahead of schedule. May be able to break into that 70-degree mark. Again, sunshine till we do see this front move through later tonight. With that, southern I-25 corridor, southeastern mountains, wind gust, high confidence, 70 to 100 miles per hour. Again, that peak intensity looks to set up right towards the overnight hours into your Friday morning commute. You head east away from the mountains, lesser impacts in the form of these wind gusts. 60 miles per hour looks like that cap, with the isolated gust or two of upwards of 70 out for the plains. Now, we have two areas I want to talk about in the Pikes Peak region. Pueblo looks like wind gusts around 60 miles per hour is the max. The main story going to be some blowing dust towards the Pueblo area. Very limited visibility, very difficult travel along that I-25 corridor. Fremont, Teller, El Paso County, up towards the Monument area. High confidence, 60, 75 mile per hour wind gusts with, yes, that potential for that Pikes Peak region of gusts upwards of 100 miles per hour. Short range guidance really wants to lock in on some stronger gusts right towards the Colorado Springs area. So we're tracking that, keeping a close eye on that. Now, this is a model. This isn't going to be the exact outcome that we do see, but it does do a good job highlighting the times that we're watching. Overnight, 2 a.m., you're going to see those gusts really along that I-25 corridor at a maximum, and this does look to carry into about 5 a.m., still seeing those darker shades along that I-25 corridor. So I want to zoom in real quick because Futurecast is doing a very good job picking up on some of these stronger gusts. You see, as we head overnight, very significant uptick in these wind gusts. By about midnight, 70 miles per hour reported in the downtown Springs. That's where our Futurecast is picking up on. Up towards that Monument area, could be gusts of about 90 miles per hour, again, at the maximum. That is what we are expecting. So very high impact travel expected for that I-25 corridor. And then conditions improve as we get towards the later morning hours, but still, wind gusts upwards 60, 65 miles per hour. That is nothing normal. Still will be limited visibility, difficult travel. On top of all of that, we have a red flag warning issued. Goes into effect 5 a.m. for your day tomorrow, lasts until 5 p.m. So please, with all this active weather, refrain from any potential fire starting activities if you're going to be out and about tomorrow. Again, Friday morning into the afternoon, the worst of those impacts. We see a lesser impact for that Friday evening commute, although still going to be some gusty winds out there. And behind this front, it's a relatively calm weekend, comfortable temperatures, a nice little relief, I guess we could say, after we do get through some of these gusty conditions. Colorado Springs, again, the worst looks to say north, west, and south in El Paso County. Gusts upwards of 90, 100 miles per hour, not going to be ruled out of that forecast. Over in Pueblo, the main risk, limited visibility from that blowing dust will create very hazardous travel along that I-25 corridor. Canyon City, again, blowing dust in that forecast. Be sure to stay with us. That latest data continues to come in. We'll keep you guys updated. We'll help you get